Imagine a world where robots give birth. Sounds like sci-fi? Think again. China is racing to deliver the first pregnancy robot, a humanoid with an artificial womb set to debut by 2026. Hello and welcome to TechInsight Daily. Today, one story stands out right at the intersection of robotics, reproductive science, and ethics. A Chinese startup is pushing a bold frontier, a robot that could carry and even give birth, all without a human womb. Let's dive into what's happening and why the world is watching. This is not just innovation, it's a conversation starter. Here's the headline. Chinese researchers at Kaiwa Technology in Guangzhou, led by Dr. Zhang Chiquang, are developing a humanoid robot equipped with a fully functioning artificial womb. This is not just a fancy incubator. It aims to support a fetus from fertilization straight through to birth. Think synthetic amniotic fluid, nutrient tubes acting like an umbilical cord, all housed inside a lifelike robot body. Prototype expected in 2026 with costs estimated at around 100,000 yuan, that's roughly rupees 12 lakh or about 14,000 USD. Why is this a global game changer? First, it could revolutionize infertility treatment. Imagine couples struggling with IVF and now there's an option beyond surrogacy. Second, in societies facing aging populations and low birth rates like China, this tech is being positioned as a potential demographic solution. And third, it raises seismic ethical questions about what parenthood means, the role of women, and how society handles life's most intimate processes. This story touches multiple groups: infertile couples seeking alternatives, women at high medical risk during pregnancy, policymakers already workshopping regulations in Guangdong province on parenthood rights, black market risks, and robot-born children's legal status. And let's not forget futuristic tech watchers. This is where AI, robotics, and bioengineering collide. Now, let's step back for a moment. Artificial wombs or ectogenesis aren't new. Labs in the US, Israel, and Europe have kept animal fetuses alive in so-called biobags since 2017. But Kaiwa's integration into a humanoid form, that's bold. On one hand, it liberates pregnancy, safer, accessible, non-biological. Feminist theorists argue artificial wombs could dismantle gendered inequalities by detaching reproduction from female bodies. Yet, critics warn this could commodify childbirth, erode maternal bonds, and transform reproduction into a mechanized service, raising deep emotional and societal concerns. Ultimately, what this means depends on how humanity treats it: a tool for healing or a dystopian shortcut. The policymaking now will shape whether we preserve empathy in childbirth or risk losing it. What do you think? Are robot pregnancies a breakthrough for human health or a boundary we shouldn't cross? Could this redefine family and what's natural? Let us know in the comments. Your voice matters. That's the story behind the headlines. Thanks for joining me at TechInsight Daily, where tomorrow's tech takes center stage today. Subscribe to TechInsight Daily for more breaking updates and hit the bell so you never miss our next deep dive. Until next time, stay curious and stay inspired.
Auto dubbing is now enabled. Click the settings icon and select your preferred language from the audio track list.
Stay connected, tech enthusiasts, in this ever-evolving world of technology.